Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you the fastest way to move files, anything from videos, anything from your mobile phone, that includes Apple and any Android, to your PC or Mac without a cable. Obviously you could do it with cables, but it's cumbersome, you've got to plug it in, etc, etc. This works anywhere in the world, so you could send it to friends, family, whatever, up to, I think it's 10 gigabyte for free at a time. So if it's bigger than that, you just send a couple separate files or attachments. And it's free of charge. Did I mention that? Oh, it's free of charge. I know you guys love that. And make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Anything that plugs in, from home automation to gadgets, but especially on Android phones, but this is for any kind of mobile phone. Press subscribe, press the like. Therefore, Google Analytics, I said it correct this time, will promote this channel and I'll get more subscribers. Once I do that, I can then write to app developers like this one and get free codes, so you get free apps. So far I've given away over $2,000 worth of free apps. So let's get straight on with the program. Now, I've tried loads of apps to do this. From Share Anything, I've tried Google Folders, which can work. You could use Drive, you could use loads of different apps that will do this, but they've all got limitations. And if you want the free one, they download, they limit the speed, etc, etc. But this one I've been using now for well over a year. It's got the highest reviews on the Play Store and also on the Apple Store as well as, and it's called Send Anything. Here it is, just open it up. It might be called Send Anywhere. I'll show you that anyway in a second. And all you've got to do, this is the app, and I'm going to give you an example how it works. I'm going to go to my photos, and I actually want all these you're going to see in a few minutes on my video when I finish doing the editing. These are all small videos, but normally they're going to take some time to send. So I'm going to press the word. I've selected about 10 of them here, share, and it's going to scroll down, and I'm going to share it with, let's have a look, where is it? Scroll down, and it should be somewhere here. I don't have the full view on it. It's Send Anywhere. That's the name of it, called Send Anywhere. And the icon looks like that. I tap on that. Now, if you are sending it for the first time and you're not going to use this often, you don't even have to download the application on your PC or Mac. You just go to Share, whatever it's called, Send Anywhere, and you would type in this code, and every time you do this you get a separate code. It's all encrypted, so it stays on the server only for a few seconds or minutes, and it tells you this again by looking over here. I list all those details. It's very secure. It's got over 10 million downloads, or at least already on Android. Now if you download the app, which again is free on your PC, you don't have to even use this. These are things, this is my other phone, the Note 8. You don't have to use the code, it will just know they're the ones you often use. So here, I'm going to tap that, I press that, and now it is sending. So this could be sent anywhere in the world, and voila, on my PC I've got a little thing that's told me it's already completed. I mean, that took, what, 1-2 seconds? Pretty amazing. I'm now going to show you on the PC what happens and how to work it there. Now, you can also use this way better than email, because with an email there's always limitations of what you can send, etc, etc. This will work. You can send an Android file to a Mac, to an Apple phone, iOS device, anything. Very, very good. And it's free, which is amazing. I'll put the phone down. I'm now going to show you on the PC. I'll get out of here. I've downloaded, firstly, This is the actual web page, sendanywhere.com. Okay. Now, if you don't have it downloaded, you could actually just press receive and put the input code. You don't have to sign in, you don't have to sign up even. And then they would download. And they download into the Send Anywhere folder or your normal downloads. That's how you find it. I've actually, if you press the word download, just to show you, and the speed of it that is 200 to 400 times faster than Bluetooth. It is really fast, as you just saw. So you can download it onto anything, as you can see. You can even add it as an Outlook add-in. Chrome extensions, Office 365, it goes on and on. So I've already downloaded it, so let me now. So you just press download, obviously choose your device. I'm now going to get out of that. The icon looks like this, Send Anywhere, where I'm pointing just to show you. And notice if I want to transfer, that means send, obviously, send or receive. I put down the key, works exactly the same way. Now you do get ads on the right hand side, and they do offer a service, a cloud service, very inexpensive, where you can store all your files, etc., etc. It's excellent as well, but I haven't signed in and I don't use this, and these ads are fine. So if I just go to my history, notice I just did it. It will automatically expire in 47 hours. So I'm going to press that. So far, right now, they're in the cloud. I tap on this. Oh, because I've just updated this, that's why. So it's going to take it a bit longer than normal because I just updated the app. And watch how fast it is. 8 files, and it's taking, that's it, about 2 seconds. Over here are all the things that I'm going to put into the final video, all these little videos. But you could do a full video, a proper movie, 1.5 hour movie in about 4 minutes, depending on what device you got, what speed you have. You don't really need the internet. You do if you're sending it to someone who's in a different location, but if not, it's going to use Wi-Fi direct, which will automatically, if you give it permissions, which I talk about again over here, all the permissions it needs, but it doesn't ask for any permissions which are not necessary. Obviously it needs storage, contacts, because you're sending it to contacts. So it's that easy to use, and then that is it really. Any questions, let me know in the notes below. Any comments, what do you use? I've tried at least 12 different other methods. This is so easy, really. I think anyone can do it. You can send it any direction. I've never had a problem with it. A lot of the others it's technical to set up. So this you could set up and send anything you want to people that are not even literate. You just tell them to download the app, and that's it, frankly. And they just put in those codes. But I can't recommend this enough. Great app. I'm giving it a 9.5 out of 10. Press subscribe, press share, and be safe.